So I just got my keyboard this morning and I'm trying it out. And this one, it's absolutely beautiful. One of the main selling features is that it is quiet. And that's not completely quiet, but if you do like quiet keyboards, you'll like this one. Also, this is on the off mode. It is wired with a USB charge. And there are a few keys that are, if you can hear that, not very quiet. It's a slight thing, not a big deal, but it might make a big deal to somebody. Also, this is on the off mode. You hit the function key with the key right next to it to turn it on. And then function key page up for brightness. This is at its brightest. It actually comes like this out of the box. Page down to dim it. Function key one more time and it pulses. Page up to make it faster, which I believe this is the fastest pulse. And function key page down to slow it down. Let's see if I can, there you go. Here's the only thing that I'm unhappy with, and this could just be personal preference. I don't like the fact that it only has those two functions. Off, on, pulse, and off, and on, and pulse. It constantly stays in this rainbow setup, which is pretty, but this particular area here is not very bright, and it is at its brightest right now. Here's the top look at it. I do believe that the black keyboard would show this a lot differently and it would stand out and pop more, but I don't want a black keyboard. That's not how my setup is in my office, so I needed something that was either white or translucent. It also turns off by itself pretty quickly. So if you're looking at something on the internet, you probably look down and notice that your keyboard's turned off. It does that by itself, which is great, but it also turns on by itself. And after you turn it off, that is not so great. So as you see, it just turned on by itself. So I really wanted to love this keyboard so much. It is beautiful, but just some personal little issues that I have with it. Someone else may think it's great. But I do recommend it for the value. The price is excellent. It's just not quite what I was looking for. I wanted to have more functionality with the lights. But yeah, that's my review. So I do give it a thumbs up. However, it would be nice to have a little bit more options with the colors.
I just opened up my keyboard. I plugged it right in my iMac and it is working just fine. Here I have a brush that comes with it where I can hang the keys, I guess, through and stuff. The space bar heard. I don't like that noise, but the keys are fine. They're pretty quiet. I can type just fine with them. Other than that, it's good. I use F-Del. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes, like that. So yeah, I'm still, working it out, but I like it so far.
I just got this new keyboard because I've been looking for one for a while, and then I saw this one on Amazon, so I decided to get it. It looked really cool, so I got it. So it has pretty rainbow lights, obviously. The keys are really easy to type on, and it's not that loud. It's just really easy. So less typos. And it is wired, so when your computer turns on, the lights on the keyboard turn on with it. When your computer turns off, the lights also turn off with it. And it's just, mine is the white keyboard when it's off, but you can get a black one if you want. But yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10. Everything's good.